The movement is taking it for me. That well, hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl KIERASHON. Now before I get into the synthetic wig install that was sponsored by Kinks debit card, come on Oprah. Make sure if you're new to the channel, you go ahead and subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. Also give this video a thumbs up if you want to see more videos like this in the future. Let's go. Okay, so like I said, this unit comes to us from Sensationnel. It is brand new from the Curls, Kinks, and Co line. This is the 13x6 Kinky Blowout unit, 12 inches. It is marketed as a glueless lace wig, so we're gonna try to rock her glueless today. Let me get her out the box. On the card, she kind of looking a little news anchory, so we're gonna try to liven her up a bit. I did get the color number 2, but it does come in some special colors, so if you want to check those out, you can. Those gray colors are in there, the HL 280-44 and the HL 34-51, as well as the M44. I did get a gray color in this one, so if you want to see what that looks like, I'll pop that on somewhere in this video. I did try her sister wigs, the body wave, the kinky curly, and the kinky straight. This one, like I said, is the kinky blowout. This is what that frontal is looking like. Very peasy around the hairline, so I may need to go in and tweeze some of that out once I blow dry it straight. Let me show y'all the inside of the cap, so I know somebody gonna ask me, you ain't show the inside. 13x6 lace frontal, 2 combs on the side, a comb in the back, the adjustable straps, and the elastic band in the wig. It's not removable, but it is adjustable. I'm gonna use my Black Radiant Soft Focus Powder in the color creamy bronze. I'm not really worried about the rest of the frontal. I just want to get my hairline good. I want the wig to be loose enough to fit, but tight enough to be glueless. Ooh, that feels nice. Very ashy. Curls are definitely giving news anchor. Now you can call me Oprah. I'm going to clip it up. I'm gonna use my blow dryer and my bristle brush, and I'm gonna blow dry this unit or the edges on high and hot. Move fast, okay? I do know I need to pluck out some of this hair. If you can see a line, that's not gradual. So this is a little bit more gradual. I can just pull out a little bit over here. But this line right here, I do want to get rid of that. So I'm gonna take the hair right in front of that line using my square tip tweezers, and I'm just going to tweeze away from my forehead. Just a little bit, like that. Take my paddle brush, comb out that excess. See how it softened it up? Y'all see that? Okay, right here in the front is a little too square, so let me just pull out some of the hair right here. See how it's a straight line? We don't want a straight line, so I just want to pull some of that out. This process is taking me all of like 2 to 5 minutes, depending on how much I'm pulling out. Let's cut off the lace. Actually giving me a perfect fit, so that is always good. I mean, that cut my ear, sheesh. This is why I wear glasses. I told y'all, I really can't see. Let me stop playing. Make sure I cut in front of the lace. I don't wanna mess up my hairline that I just did. Cut off what I don't need. I think it's fitting down pretty flat. I'll just need to tint it with my my contour just to give it a little extra blend, but it's looking pretty good. I'm gonna use my Nairobi mousse and I'm gonna tap it around the lace. I'm not worried about bushing up my edges. I want the lace to kind of melt a little bit better. Just kind of seal that in, and then I'm gonna wrap her down, do my makeup real quick. Now I come back being all smart and didn't turn my daggone mic on, so here we go. Now I'm just tinting my lace up using my Juvia's Place foundation stick in the color Catsina. Putting some on my brush like that, and then I'm just working it around my hairline. Right now it's looking a little dark, so we're gonna try to fix that with my brush. Get my foundation brush and just kind of blend this all back in. If she keeps sliding back, I may need to spray her down though. Get my edge brush. I'm just gonna brush towards the hairline, not so much in the front, just the sides. I could go in and tap some product around my hairline, put a little bit on the edge like this, and just tap it around like that, just to help that blend. Let's see what this hair is gonna do. Right now she's looking a little iffy. Let's comb this over, like so. Will it comb under? Okay, I can work with that. Blow dry this down on the top. I don't know what's going on with this little thing right here, but I'm gonna cut it. Get you out of there. Use these hairs to my advantage. My black eyeliner pencil. Just gonna color in that lace. Brush it back. Come on, hard bump. Come on, come on. Let me kind of liven up the hair. I think I'm gonna leave it now. I think. I ain't put on no lashes, so you know, don't be scared. It's me. I'm in here. If you don't want to spray it down, you can do what I did at the beginning, or you can go back in and spray it down like I did right around this side right here, because I wanted it to lay flat. Because of my melanin and that lace, it wasn't going to blend down the way that I wanted it. It was going to give me that line of demarcation. I don't want that. Now, the hairstyle itself is given very much like a little bit more mature wrap and go. That but I'm not actually mad at it. I still feel like it gives the hair a lot of bounce and movement, and the more I wear her, the curls will kind of relax. Or you can just go back in and straighten them out with your flat iron or your blow dry brush. I wish the curls on the bottom kind of mimicked the curls on the top, just in the flow of the hair. Because the hair is more like shoulder length bob, it's definitely going to give more of like a flip look once the hair starts moving around. You can play with them a little bit, but I ain't too much worried about it. So this is how we are sitting. The body is there, the texture is there. The only con or preference I could say for this unit or this series is to pluck the hairline a little bit better. But you know, you do what you gotta do. I can see my lace, hold up. Right in here. I am getting some snags towards the end, but I'm not getting a lot of shedding. I'm getting like maybe 1 or 2 strands at a time. So you know, that's not bad. She's definitely giving like an old school wrap. I like it. The movement is taking it for me. That looks like a human hair kinky straight unit. Like the one I did for OMG her hair, the bob. This looks like that. And it doesn't feel like super synthetic either. Is this a human hair blend? No, I don't think it is. Okay, sensational. It feels real nice. But you know, I'm here for it, okay? So before you come with the Oprah comments, Oprah got money. So thank you. But that's all I got for you guys today. I will put the direct link for this unit down below, so if you guys want to check it out, you can. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. Also smash that notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. I love you guys so much, and I will see you next time. Bye.